Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial guide to attaching a document to upload to your assignment drive. So first you need to navigate to your Canvas course. From the home page you can click modules. You will click the particular unit that you are in. For this example, we will use unit 1 and assignment 1.3. You click on that assignment link. Once you have completed the assignment and are ready to turn it in, you have 3 options here. Please choose the last option that says More with the 3 dots. You will see a pop-up box. Please choose Google Assignments LTI 1.3. Since I am in Student View, my Google Drive will not pop up, but on your screen you should see your Google Drive pop up with your name, and you will select it. Then you may select your file, click Add, click Attach, and then the Submit button should turn blue, and you will click the Submit button, and your file is all attached and ready to go. So once again, once you finish your assignment and you are ready to upload the assignment, please click the More option. Your Google Drive name will appear. You click Select File. Your Google Drive pop-up box will appear. You select the file you want to attach. Click Add. Click Attach. And then the Submit button will turn blue, and you click the Submit button.